Want to reduce blood sugar levels? Here are 8 incredible foods that reduce blood sugar. 1. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a herb that is widely used in Indian cooking. It is an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It also contains an amino acid known as 4-hydroxy-isoleucine, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Fenugreek can be consumed in the form of capsules, powder, or tea. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. It can be consumed in the form of capsules, powder, or tea. 3. Gymnema Sylvestre. Gymnema Sylvestre is a plant that is native to India and Africa. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat diabetes. 4. Chromium. Chromium is a mineral that is found in small amounts in the body. It is essential for the metabolism of carbohydrates and fat. 5. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is an antioxidant that is found in the body. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. 6. Bitter melon. Bitter melon is a fruit that is native to India and Africa. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat diabetes. Bitter melon has been shown to lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. It can also help prevent the onset of diabetes. 7. Ginseng. Ginseng is a plant that is native to Asia. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to treat diabetes. Ginseng and blood sugar levels have been studied in a few small trials. There is some evidence that ginseng may help to lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Ginseng may also help to improve the way the body uses insulin. One small study showed that ginseng may help to improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes who are taking insulin. However, it is not clear if ginseng is effective in people with diabetes who are not taking insulin. More research is needed. 8. Garlic. Garlic is a vegetable that is rich in antioxidants. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Garlic can be consumed in the form of powder or tea.